It's Regina. We are live. Live stream, guys. We are live because my business partners and I are hosting a live stream right now of our global online business. And we are teaching a lot of people how to earn income online. So, this one, I want to share with you guys. If you are watching me right now, please connect with me at the comment button, add your comment so that I can give you a shout out. Also, write down where are you watching me so that I can give you a shout out wherever you are around the world. My name is Regina. I am an online digital business owner. I am, my business is worldwide. So if you're over 40 and you're looking for something different from what you're already doing, if you're over 40 and you want to do something different, you want to retire early, if you're over 40 and you are being stressed at work and you are looking for something different, you're not loving your job anymore, if you're over 40 and you don't see the future for you to be working for the rest of your life, then sign in on my website at www.startwithregina.com and I'm going to show you how I'm able to change my life. So I'm Regina. I am an owner of online digital business at Embracing Abundance Globally and also at Start to Succeed. I am a business strategist and a mentor. I'm helping people to earn income online. Ideally, if you are seeing me right now because you are on social media, you already have a social media account. And for me, that you are my best ideal business partner because you are already in social media. It will be easy for me to help you earn a high ticket commission online. So sign in a website. My website is on my profile and then you can get into it. I'm just gonna also let me Black Bricks, thank you for joining me, guys. I'm gonna write my business work my website here at the comment button so you can sign in to that. Register at www.startwithregina.com. com. Okay, so that is my startwithregina.com. That's my website, guys. So I posted my website over there. So what is my business about? So I am an online digital business owner, and the difference of my business is that my business partners and I have figured out that traditional selling doesn't work anymore. You know, your friends, they don't want to receive a call for you as you asking them to buy something for you. And your friend will not like to receive a call for you knowing that they will be expected that you are selling something to them. So my business partners and I have figured out that in order to be in the market, you need to have a product because those products, when you sell, you get commissions, right? But nobody else wants to buy and nobody else wants to be your friend if you keep bugging them to buy a product, if you keep bugging them to sell a product. So my business partners and I, we figure out how we can use social media to sell a product without us bugging you to buy a product from us. So that's why you are seeing me right now. I am advertising worldwide that I am an online digital business owner. I am earning full time on an online using social media, using technology, using artificial intelligence to earn income for me and how different we are in our online business. Okay, before we move to that, I want to acknowledge you guys. Thank you for Brown's Farm. Thank you for joining. Hi. Happy Me. Thank you for joining me. Thank you. Helena at 72190. Thank you for joining. PIDA Official. Thank you for joining. Mac 10 for the win. Yoo! Tyler Skinner and James. James, say hi, James. So now let's talk about the business itself. Okay, how different are we from competitors? So as I said, guys, in order for you to earn income online, you need to be in the market. And being in the market, we need to have a products. But our difference is that I'm not selling to you one to one, and I'm not selling to you any inventories right now. But what I want to introduce to you is to become a partners with me. And when you partner with me, we have a products, but you are not going to sell. Instead, when you partner with me, I will introduce to you to our company that we affiliates. Our company has been in the business for 50 years. And in fact, I celebrated with them in Japan in our 50th birthday of the company that we contract with. Our company is high ticket products. So when you sell a high ticket products, you also get a high ticket commissions. So in one sale, we have four figures to give you as a compensation. It is not an easy business and it needs a lot of dedication and a lot of time and effort. You need to learn our training and you need to learn how our system works because our system is so unique. Not many people knows it, but worldwide we have 227.9 members that is already using our system so that they can change their lives. We are an online digital business and we are changing lives worldwide. We impact a lot of people's lives because of our patented compensation plan, because of the high commission that you can potentially earn from us. So the good thing is, guys, I'm not selling you anything and you will not sell either. We are not going to let you sell either. Okay? But we're going to teach you our system. What you going to get when you join in our system? You are going to get a complete comprehensive training. You're going to have access to our tools, technology, artificial intelligence, apps that we use that you don't have to subscribe, pre-apps that we have tested already that is working to run our business. We're going to teach you how to use this app so that you can be successful on creating your content. Guys, a lot of people is having problem on creating content and we're going to teach you how to create an attractive content that will magnetize people to stop on your video so that they can watch you. And we're going to teach you how to do that. All of those I mentioned to you is already included in your one-time setup fee and one-time business franchise fee. Our system that we offer to you is life-changing because for as long as you become a member for us and as long as you're an active business owner, the benefits of this business is for life. You can create a legacy for your children and a legacy for your children's children for as long as you keep your business active and running in social media. Guys, on top of that, of what we pay you in high commission, you can still earn on the monetization, on the stars, on subscriptions, and on advertisement on your stream, on your feeds. So those are additionals that you can earn. So there is multiple sources of income in our umbrella alone. In our online business, you're going to have an access to six products, affiliating products that we already tested. We already started the marketing. We already did the trial and error, so you don't have to spend money for that because we already have done it. Our product is already known, it's already in demand, and people are searching for it, willing to pay money for our products. So you're gonna access to our products, and the third is the global community support. You will not be alone doing this business. In fact, there is 227.9 members in our global community, and there are over 64,000 active members, mentor and coaching that will support you in your online digital business on your journey to be successful to join in our business partnership. So you're not gonna start from scratch. This business that you're gonna join is already successful. A lot of people is already changing lives and a lot of people is already using our system. I want to stop a bit to thank you. Thank you, FIDA Official, for joining. Thank you, Mac10, for the win. Tyler Skinner, James, Hina Khan. Thank you very much. And there's a lot of number over here. Thank you for joining. 227717373737. Thank you for joining. Moi, thank you for joining. Okiera, Nayame, thank you for joining. So wherever you are around the world, as I can see our names of watching people that watching me right now, you can start this business. And you don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to have prior online business experience because we will provide to you everything you need. We're going to give you your own already completed website, and we're going to maintain that website in daily basis. So you can save yourself a cost in maintaining the website. That is very expensive, guys, because before that, when I was doing all my research, those expenses, I have to spend it on my own. I was paying for them on my own. But in our business partnership, we're going to give that to you at no cost to you. That's included with a one-time setup fee. We're going to give you an email campaign that is already tested and it's working. We already have spent for that to build that email campaign that is secured, so you don't have to spend on your email campaign. We are going to maintain the maintenance of the email campaign that you will build in order for you to have a conversation with your buyers, to have a conversation with your business partners. So that email campaign, we are going to teach you how to set it up with security so that you can protect the people that will connect with you. Okay? On top of that, we're going to maintain that email campaign in daily basis at no extra cost to you. We will also give you marketing strategies and ongoing support to build up your skills and build up your knowledge and train you in daily basis. Weekly basis, we have two masterminds from people from expert in an online business, people, executive people that already know what they are doing, people who earn 5 to 7 figures a month and more. That will be mentoring you into your success in owning an online business. So, guys, you are seeing me right now. I will say I am not an ordinary person anymore since I become an online business because I have learned to empower myself. I have learned to become the boss of myself. And that is what we offer to you. We're going to help you to be the boss of yourself so that you can pay yourself the amount that you desire. You can work for your own, build your own dreams, build your own business, and build your own people. And that is where I am at this moment. I am building my own people that will help me live up my business. And we're going to teach you how you're going to do all these things. So don't worry if you have no experience, we can teach you from the start and we can teach you until you become successful in an online digital business partnership with us. So guys, if you're only depending in one job with the high cost of living that go real fast than what your job can increase your salary with, you may not be able to cope up. So you need something. And for my experience, although I have multiple jobs and is still selling products in the past, it's not enough because they are limited. They have a cap and it's not enough. But in an online digital business, we are global and there is borderless. You can pay yourself the amount you want without a cap. And it is doable in our business partnership. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay? Thank you, Top He 915. Thank you, Muni, for joining. Thank you very much, everyone. And if you have any question, please write down your question in the comment button, and I'm hoping I can answer that for you. If you have a question about my business, about my system, about our global community, about how to start, write it down and I will answer that question for you. To start, guys, you need to register in our website at www.startwithregina.com. And once you register, you need to connect with me. So message me from the information in my website so that I can guide you how to start your business in 2 weeks. And in 2 weeks, once we build up your online business, you are basically ready to earn income online. So you can do that in very short period of time. Okay. So my name is Regina. I am the owner of Embracing Abundance Globally and at Start to Succeed. You can see me on YouTube. You can see me on Facebook. And I recently started this platform of TikTok. And also, I also recently starting the Instagram. So guys, it takes a while for preparation to be at this position that I can now confidently guide and teach you of what I am learning in my online business so that I can pass that knowledge and skills to you so that you too can turn your social media scrolling into an income. I will be able to help you to turn your social media time into producing income, into a producing passive income today, tomorrow, and for the legacy of your children. The business that I'm offering to you is not just a business today, but it's a business as well for tomorrow so that you can look after what's important in life, your family, your health, relationship, and create the future, a security in your future. Create the lifestyle that you desire. That is what I am offering to you. I want to say hi to Mike Andrade and Danny. Thank you for joining me. Thank you very much. Okay. I'm really hoping that I can also figure out next time how to share my slides. And I'm not moving forward to that as well. So I'm gonna try to do that. But at least I managed to figure out how to share some of my image in here. If you are someone out there who wants to join me in my live stream, you are welcome. Welcome to kick in the multi guest. I want okay. So nobody is there so far, but you're welcome. Welcome to join me. I'll be very happy to get you out there. So just get into that it, and I'm be happy to share to you, show it to you. How can I help you on an online business? Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, we're gonna go on to what is my life goal? Okay. All right. Okay. There's nobody else so far that is wanting to join with me. I was just checking my multi guests. If anyone wants to join me, you're welcome to join me. I will really appreciate if you guys join me in here right now on our live stream discussion. If you have any question, how you start your online business, let me know. Just add that in the comment button. Um, in our business community, a lot of people are actually wondering if we are legitimate. And yes, we are. I am registered and I am government uh, recognized or approved, government approved. I'm registered in my government here in Canada as an online digital business owner. We have 26 we are in 26 countries and we have 46 offices worldwide so that we can help you person to person in our office if you need to. But most of our activity is in online. We are using online almost 90% in an online business. The only way you want to go to our office is up to you if you want to, but you can do this business without even going into the our office in traditional office because I've been doing this business for almost 3 years now, and I have never really go and visit my traditional office because everything we do is online. Guys, less than 3 years ago, working by myself as an employee, it was very stressful. I was very stressed as a mental health care worker. I was very stressed as a caregiver and housekeeper. And for more than 30 years of my employment income, I accumulated debts. Debts beyond debts beyond over my head that I could not afford to pay. Even though regardless of how hard you work, even though you have multiple jobs, because of the income has cap and so limited, it's very hard to adapt in our rising cost of living. And in me, I am a Filipina. I have family back home in Philippines that I also support once in a while. And it's very difficult, even if you are earning one or two multiple jobs. And the only way for me that I'm able to change my situation is to start an online business. And that is why I am here in front of you. I want to show to you the other option of earning income online. You can do this while you are already working. The reason is we're going to use the technology. We're going to teach you how to use the technology to run your business 24 hours, 7 days a week. You know what Warren Buffett says? If you cannot figure out to earn an income while you sleep, you're going to work for the rest of your life. And this is what I'm showing to you. This is the solution. Tapping, tap into our business system, tap into our global community, tap into our business franchise, and we're going to show you how you can create a side hustle as your new job, as your new day job, without you even really working for it 8 hours like your traditional work. Or even if you're selling a new business, you don't have to be opening a store to man your business for 8 hours or more, because in our technology that we are using AI, we are using automation, we are using the most common technology in my online business. And I will teach you how to do that. There's a lot of people already whose lives have changed since they started an online business. And if you are seeing this, there is a reason why you are seeing me right now. Because you are probably looking for a change, because you may be looking to protect, to establish another sources of income. You are on social media maybe because of friends or so why not turn your scrolling into a paycheck? I can teach you how to turn your scrolling time into a paycheck. So sign in on my website at www.startwithregina.com, and I think I should just write it down again because now it gets come out of the comment button. Register at www.startwithregina.com. So sign in on my website, and I and my business partner will show you how to start your online business. Okay. Right now, we are live streaming right now, and we are teaching a lot of people. Last Tuesday, we have more or less 400 people who sign in on our website that is interested to learn how to earn income online. So now put yourself to that as well. It's no commitment. Our complimentary business workshop is free. You don't have to spend anything compared to our competitors. In our competitors, you may have to already to pay in order to join to our business workshop. But we set this one up for you at a complimentary so that you can get to know who we are, how our business does, how our business is founded, and what is our mission. Our goal, while we are presenting this to you globally, our goal is to create a community of online digital business owners that help one another to be successful in an online business. We want to change lives. We want to help people to become healthy, in healthy, emotionally healthy, mentally healthy, physically healthy, and financially well. So those are our goal, is to help you in a wellness in all aspects of life as well as spiritually. So guys, our business partnership is totally different from other business that you may know. We are global, and in this global community, we help one another. In this global community, we lift up each other. We do not compete. Although we have a different, we are owning our own businesses, we are independent business owners, and yet We function as a communal. When you are in a community, when you are in a flock, you are stronger and you have a better success and you have better thriving opportunity because there are people that is supporting you. You are not going to be alone in the journey of being an online digital business owner. As I said, we are 64,000 active mentors and coaches. We have 227.9 members in this global business community that is testing and using our system, changing lives worldwide, regardless of what you speak. If you're not very good in English like me, I wasn't very good in English when I started this. I speak Tagalog. I'm from Philippines. I'm not very good on English when I started this. I was very shy. I undermine myself that I'm not capable to do things. But because of the global community, because of the system that was proven and tested, I am here in online business. I am in front of you sharing this amazing digital business that I have found that is empowering me to change my future. I was able already to change my present. At this hour, when I was an employee, I was already stressed working. I'm already at a high level of my stress working. But now look at me. I am still in a very good appearance. I'm not sweating. I'm not yet tired. But I am enjoying talking with you on a live stream because this business has given me that happiness and self empowerment, that self development and self fulfillment of sharing to you what I have found. This is now not, I started in this business as side hustle, but not anymore. This is my full time job. And aside from this, I managed to create other side hustles. I'm now doing side hustles alongside with this. And at the same time, I have learned how to invest smartly. I now become an investor in a property and all those learning that you can get from our business training and all those learning and mentoring that you can get from me. I can show you different sources of income and they are passive income. In my umbrella alone, I have six passive sources of income that you can tap into. And that is in additional to the one that I will still teach you. So once you are eligible, we can become a coach and also earn coaching fee in our global community. So in one umbrella in mind, there is seven potential that you can tap into, plus the others that you're gonna learn on your own to spread your wings to create your own other sources of passive income, all in online. Okay? So guys, sign in with my website at www.startwithregina.com. Just check into the comment button that I have signed to you. I want to say thank you, Bekim. Hi. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Bekim, for joining. Lively, lively, lively. So sign in, guys. And as I said, I am online digital business. I am the face at Embracing Abundance Globally. I love that thing because before I have been living in scarcity, but because of online digital business, I now learn how to embrace that new life of abundance. And now I also am the owner of Start to Succeed. I am helping a lot of people to believe in themselves, to start empowering themselves and start their own online business. So check me out. I am in YouTube, I am in Facebook, and I'm in TikTok. I'm also just started Instagram recently. So check me out, guys. Okay, we hope I to see you, and I hope to guide you as your mentor and coach in your online digital business. Bye for now.